Hello everyone, I Bhaginder welcome you all to RKP online classes. Beta, today we are going to discuss the laws of exponents for the real numbers. With the help of some examples, then we will go for the rules. Suppose we have given 5 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 6. Now 5 raised to the power 4 means 5 multiplied by itself 4 times. It means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Similarly, if we see for this, it means 5 multiplied by itself how many times? 6 times. So it means 5 4 times here multiplied and 6 times here multiplied. So how many times 5 is multiplied? 5 is multiplied 10 times. So we can draw a rule from this. If the bases are same, since 5 and 5 both are the bases and 4 and 6 are the exponents, so what we can say, the base, if they are same, then and multiplied, then we can add the exponents. Therefore we got 5 raised to the power 10. So the rule will be a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n, where a is a real number. Suppose 2 raised to the power 7 is divided by 2 raised to the power 3. So we are writing it in division form, 2 raised to the power 7 divided by 2 raised to the power 3. So as like earlier case, it means 2 multiplied by itself how many times? 7 times. And in denominator 2 multiplied by itself how many times? As the power, that is 3 times. It means when we cancel it, we got 2 4 times in the numerator. So what we can do now, we can make a rule. If the bases are same, since the bases are same and there is a division sign in between, so the powers will be subtracted, and basically the smaller power will be going towards the bigger power side. So what we got, 2 raised to the power 7 minus 3, it means 2 raised to the power 4. So the rule is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n if m is greater than n. If the situation is reverse, for example, 2 raised to the power 8 is divided by 2 raised to the power 10. Since beta 10 is greater than 8, so it means 8 will go towards the denominator side. Therefore what we got, 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 10 minus 8. Since the bases were same, therefore we can subtract the powers because they are having division sign in between. So what we got, 1 raised divided by 2 raised to the power 2. It means a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, it is equal to 1 divided by a raised to the power n minus m if n is greater than m. Suppose we have given 6 raised to the power 2 and then whole raised to the power 5. So these powers, this power 5, it means 6 raised to the power 2 is multiplied by how many times? 5 times as the power. And if we apply the rule, so we will get 6 raised to the power 2 how many times? 5 times. So if we are going to add the powers, since the bases are same, therefore we got 6 raised to the power 10. So if there is a base and its power and its again power, in that case the powers will be multiplied. So we got 6 raised to the power 10. So the rule is a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. Suppose 3 into 7 multiplied whole raised to the power 2. So we can expand it like this. 3 multiplied how many times? 2 times. Similarly 7 multiplied how many times? 2 times. So we can write it like this, 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 7 raised to the power 2. So the rule will be a multiplied by b whole raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m divided by multiplied by b raised to the power n.